How can you annotate your main point and convert effectively in videos? Hi, I'm Tom from Wondershare DemoCreator, and in today's video I'm going to show you 2 methods to annotate the main point in your videos. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss the latest tips and tricks for video creation. So in my last video I showed you how you can record your screen with voice and webcam. Today I'll show you how you can annotate your main point and convert effectively using Wondershare DemoCreator software. If you don't have Wondershare DemoCreator, there's a link in the description below for a free trial. So I have 2 methods to annotate your main point in videos using Wondershare DemoCreator. One is using the screen drawing tool to annotate your main point while you are recording. And the other one is to add some annotations during the editing process, so after the recording is done. Now let me show you method number 1. So after downloading the software, you can open the Wondershare DemoCreator program and click the New Recording button to start recording your screen. Then a pop-up window will appear. After you have selected your recording preferences, such as recording area, recording frame rate and so on, you can enable the screen drawing tool on the panel here. After that, you can open up your course content and start recording. You can use the screen drawing tool at the top here to help you focus on your main points. Here are the different effects: the cursor, spotlight, pen, highlight, circle, rectangle, arrow, line, undo, redo, clean drawing, pause, delete and re-record, and recording and close. You can also change the color and display size of the tool at will. When you don't need this tool, click the first cursor icon to return to standard recording. After the recording is finished, the files will be present directly in the DemoCreator video editor. You can edit it as you like or export to share it. Using the screen drawing tool can make your video work more effortlessly and convert the main point effectively. However, if you don't want to annotate the screen while you're recording, or if you have some files already, you can also annotate in DemoCreator directly. And that brings us to method 2, annotate the main point after recording. After recording your course content, you can drag and drop it on the timeline or import your video, music or image files to the video editor by clicking Import, as you can see here. Then you can go to the Annotations tab to choose a sketch animation or other effects to annotate your main points. There are 4 kinds of annotations effects here: dialogue, arrows, sketch and hollow shapes. Once you made your choice, simply drag it to the timeline. You can also add text and cursor effects. To add text, press the Caption tab. You can choose between these options right here. I'm just going to choose titles as an example. You can simply drag the desired title into your timeline and then you can edit your text right here. You can change the font style, size and color. You can also enable a text border and a text shadow here. To change the position of the text, simply drag it to the desired position with your mouse. To add a cursor effect, you need to click the arrow icon and choose your desired effect. I'm choosing the spotlight effect for this example. Simply drag it onto the timeline and then edit the spotlight color, capacity and area as you like. If you want to delete the effect, simply click the X icon. After editing, you can export your file and share it. Please note the cursor effect only works on videos recorded with Wondershare DemoCreator. Okay, and now I want to give you some useful tips to help you annotate your main point and convert effectively in videos. Number 1, make sure you mention the main point as soon as possible. Number 2, make sure the color of your text is clearly visible if you choose to use text. Number 3, make sure you have a good quality microphone. Number 4, make sure you have a good quality webcam if you choose to do face recordings. And number 5, don't be afraid to mention your main point several times, but don't overdo it. If you found this video useful, click the like button and comment below if you have any questions. And if you want to see more videos from this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button. See you next time!